In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find your project URL in Supabase. This is the base address your app uses to talk to your Supabase project. And it's required when you configure the Supabase client, set up server requests, or integrate tools that need to reach your database and authentication services. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly where to look and what you are seeing. Start by logging into your Supabase dashboard. Once you are in, you will land on the home screen that lists all of your projects. Click the project you want to work with. If you manage multiple environments, like development and production, make sure you are opening the correct one. Each project has its own unique URL. Inside your project, look to the left-hand sidebar, scroll to the bottom and click the settings icon, the little gear. This is where Supabase groups all project-wide configuration options. Within Settings, find the Configuration section. In there, select a PI. Depending on the version of the interface, this may also be labeled Data. A PI. Don't worry if the label looks slightly different. The page you want is the one that shows your project's API endpoints and related information. On the API page, locate the Project URL section. This is the exact value your application will use as the base URL when you initialize Supabase. It's stable for the life of the project unless you intentionally make changes, like migrating or recreating the project. The URL will typically follow a clear pattern. https yourprojectref.supabase.co. The project reference is a unique identifier that Supabase created for you when the project was provisioned. When you found it, click Copy to place the URL on your clipboard. From here, you can paste it straight into your app's configuration. A common practice is to store it in an environment variable, often named something like Supabase_URL, so you can manage it safely across local development, staging, and production. If you use multiple projects, label those variables clearly to avoid mixing them up. A quick tip: while you are on this page, you may also see keys and other credentials. Handle those with care. Never commit them to public repositories or share them in screenshots. For most client setups, you only need the project URL and the appropriate public key, stored securely. That's it. Thanks for watching.